That's a lot better from the Philippines. Going to the wing, and that's safe. And the block of this Indonesian team. Budin, backhand. Oh! That's Bagunas. Oh, that was a sweep. Soft touch. And Tagibolos. Oh! For Bagunas again, and that time against Thailand. He only had 7 though. Oh. Here's Bagunas. Owned by the Philippines, and the soft touch. Retamar with the setup. Bagunas, no good. Retamar. Oh! He'll try again though. That time the blocking. Again from the back. A consistent way through here is Alas Pilipinas. Yeah. We'll go to Fari, and Fari scores long. That again. Let's see if they can do that here before set number. Moving things around, they're really destroying us through his pipe attacks. And
then it has been Budin.
Have a chance here through the wing. Oh. On this frame. Oh. Retamar looking for Bagunas. There's a 1-point lead. Oh, Retamar looking for Bagunas. Oh, and what a block changes here in set number 4. Yeah, with the setup to Bagunas. And here's Boy.
Better pass there.
And that's a lot better. Ali. Retamar with a serve to Bagunas. Boy.
I say that we were pretty good fighting. I want this team. That they fighting like the first time. We are not in the level of the other now. Right now, no. Okay? But if we fight, and if we don't make stupid mistakes, stupid mistake is a little bit difficult to say in volleyball. Because are just mistakes. But at least we were trying. And the second and the third set. In the second set, we lost a lot of points at the beginning of the set. And after we play equal till the 15 till the final. And in the third set we lost points again when we begin. We play the same equal on the middle and we lost point again in the final. So what can I do? Okay, we have to improve not just our skills but also our mentality. It's very difficult for this player to stay for 3 sets with the intensity of the first set. They need experience. We play with a very young team today. No, even Bagunas one is here. The oldest one is the leader blocker, and the other so we need time. I don't know if we will have enough time before the World Championship, but at least I want them improving. We need more matches like this to play more matches like this. To start, you know, it's kind of endurance. You know what means endurance? Yeah? And the mental endurance is like a physical endurance. And we don't have this endurance right now. For one or the other moment, but we don't have.
Actually, ano na talaga dapat, parang wala sila sa open nung last week na talaga ako nag-training sa ano na. And ayun, sobrang thankful ako na grabe impress sa akin yung mga coaches ko na nag-persist ako, and kung ano yung trabaho ko, ginawa ko lang, and ayun, nagbunga naman lahat ng pinaghirapan namin. And sa individual awards, di ko in-expect talaga na ako yung magkaka-award, and ayun, dahil binabigyan ako, sobrang saya ko, and siguro gagawin ko gagawin ko sa inspirasyon para mas lalo ko galingan sa mga next league ko.
Ano mo lang tinake yung challenge? Kasi yun nga, saglit ka lang nag-training tapos wala rin si Mark.
Actually, hindi naman si Coach Dante and sila Coach, lagi lang akong ginaguide. Noong una, nahirapan ako i-adapt yung sistema nila. So, ayun, pati yung mga kuya ko, andyan sila para i-guide ako. And unti-unti ko na-adapt yung sistema yan. Ayun, in-apply ko na sa nakuha ko na.
And yun nga, yung ano lang yung naging mindset mo kanina, knowing na yung nangyari kagabi, tapos yung kay Brian din.
Ay, mindset ko kanya talaga, na ilaban na lang ilaban kasi manalo matalo, andito lang kami. Ito yung pinaghirapan namin ng ilang buwan na ilang linggo, di ba? So, sinisip ko, matalo manalo, lalaban kami. Ayun.
Sa second leg na lang, ano pang aasahan sa'yo?
Siguro, siguro mas buo na yung kumpiyansa ko ngayon. And siguro, in terms of receive and defense, siguro yun ang mas improve ko pa ngayon kasi I think doon ako mas kulang.
Ngayon yung bagong program kasi is parang sobrang ang gaan i-apply sa laro. And maraming bago and maraming tinuturo na Hindi mo na totally namin na-execute lahat yung mga pinapagawa niya, pero step by step talaga yung kailangan para sa next tournament. Yun lang, pinagandaan.
Ano naramdaman mo na natawag yung pangalan mo kanina sa individual award?
Medyo kinabahan ako kasi parang di ko inaasahan pero ayun, parang gano'n.
As a veteran, paano mo lang mag-motivate yung team mo kasi nga yun na yung nangyari kagabi?
Parang ginawa na namin motivation yung pagkawala ni Brian kasi isa ako sa pinaka matanda sa team. So sabi ko lang is gawin natin yung best natin kahit wala si Brian, gawin pa natin yung kung anong tinuro ni coach and yun, apply lang.
Gano'n ka kumpiyansa sa direksyon ng national team? Tingin mo paangat na paangat?
Tingin ko naman paangat yung national team ngayon. Kasi nakita niyo mga bagong player, di ba? Parang mas nag-step up sila kahit mas mga ba? So yun lang.
Year na CBD 4th place ngayon, 3rd place sa first leg. Panibagong achievement pero malayo pa yun. Pero sana nakikita naman po natin, meron pa, marami pang pwede matutunan. Ayun, I hope sa mga bagong coaches sa bagong system, maka-adapt agad at magamit para sa darating na Worlds next year.
Sa'yo, Mark, may update na ba tungkol sa'yo? Kailan ka makakalaro?
Balik po next year na po ako. So, hindi po makakalaro sa second leg. Alis po is September, balik na po kayo. Pero hindi pa natin sure, baka bigla akong laro, pero we'll see po.
Kamusta naman yung pagpirma mo ngayon sa bagong team sa Japan? Gano'n ka excited na ituloy yung international career?
Very excited po. New players, new team, new environment. Nag-look forward na ako na ma-meet sila sa bagong liga. Happy ako nakapag sa Japan.
Ano lang masasabi mo kay Brian nga dahil sa nangyari na ito?
Si Brian. Kaya niya po yan, malakas si Brian. Prayers lang po for him. Malalagpasin niyo po niya.